Oh God. We're gonna be making a desk. Oh God. I'm making me a desk. We're gonna start with the lamp. Take that. Okay. We're done with that. I am some slime. I'm gonna do one. Is this color? It's sticky. Let's see. Next, the chair. Okay. Do that. Okay, I got the chair and the lamp. It's like the same thing. I'll just stick that really slow.
I'm the bodyguard now. You don't need that. Because it's hot in there.
Next, the computer. No, I want the computer first. I'll get the table racks done. I'll be right back. Thing is, it took really hard not being able to resort. Okay. I'm gonna check this table. I lost it right here. Like that. But it's not actually like that. I'll be done. One. That. Right there. But this is supposed to be under. It's supposed to be under like that when you're like done using it. And the lamp's supposed to be right there. But I'll be back doing the computer. Okay, bye. What it's supposed to look like. Lovely day at my apartment. What's these? Stuffed animals? A cow and a cat? Best day ever. Oh, we got a new chair instead of that plastic chair. That's the chair that he hates. Well, gotta get going. Oh, knocked down. Seriously? You know, you could stay here. Kitty, get on the chair. If you can. Good. Over here, cow, here's your little box. And I use a shotgun for the chair. I have Claire chair with me. She is a nice shotgun. If you like Claire chair, comment down below. Okay guys, comment down below. Thumbs up. thumbs up. We're gonna reach to 1,000 likes, because that's like my highest. And subscribe, and I'm trying to review 50 subscribers. Bye.
Give